Hello and welcome to another update video about Chiliz. So Chiliz dropped once again. We had here yesterday the possibility that it could have already bottomed here, but of course we didn't really have a reversal signal yet. It did not hold support, so made another low. This trade setup as a 1-2 setup on the larger time frame here, wave 1 to the upside, which peaked presumably or presumed wave 1, yeah, which peaked here around 28 cents. Then came down in a wave 2. This setup is now being challenged because we broke below the 12.5 cent level, the 78.6% FIB level. I still give it that one chance here to hold the 10.5 cent level, which it could do, and then it could move up from there. But if it drops below 10.5 cents, so we can round it down to 10 cents, that's it. Then I think we're going to lose the 8 cent level as well, and then we could, yeah, then we will go below the June lows to much lower levels. What could those levels be? And again, at the moment we still have a chance to hold it, but if we, let me just zoom out a bit. This was a decent setup here, I can tell you that. Yeah, I think the FTX collapse broke a lot of these possibly good setups, but again, it's just an altcoin. It's basically a random altcoin like many others, which has short-term potential, I think, still. But it's also nothing I would hold long term. Like with any altcoin, really, I would be careful. At least I would be careful. I also have an altcoin portfolio, but I would be very careful with altcoins. Low exposure to most altcoins. It's just Bitcoin, Ethereum is certainly dominating here, and I think it's sort of the only asset really that's worth dollar cost averaging if you want to do so. But it's of course up to you. What I want to do, oh yeah, VRVP, I just want to add the historical volume here. And yeah, we can certainly see a spike. I mean, if we really lose the 8 cent level, I mean, this could turn into dumpster fire here. This could then drop, that's also why I've got a stop loss below 10 cents. This could drop down all the way to, well, you see where the support areas are starting. I mean, main support is really down here between, let's call it 2.5 cents and what is it, 0.005 USD, yeah? So really low down here. And yeah, we've got a bit of support here at the 5.5 cent area. Got a bit of an area of trade there, but there isn't much left, right? So this ideally holds, otherwise we can expect a, whatever is that, 60-70% price drop. It is not yet a sign that we are doing that we are definitely going to come down. Just because we lost the 12.5 cent area. That's not too much of a problem yet. So I'll just hide that again. But it's certainly not anything that gives us confidence that we just straight dropped through that FIB level. I would have expected some support here. The fact that we didn't see support certainly raises some concerns. But if we see this now as a fifth wave here in yellow, this could certainly have been a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and now one more leg down missing. If we find support at 10.5 cents, this could go off. Yeah, so there is certainly a chance, but it's really the very last chance for the bulls to move from here. Otherwise, it is also going to turn into a coin that's going to look for another low, like so many other altcoins. And there are really only a few good coins. I mean, a few coins left that have a decent setup for higher. And all of these are getting challenged. There's a few coins, as I said, that are still looking okay, including Matic, for example, a QNT. But yeah, this one here is getting challenged now as well, especially if we drop below 10.5 cents, it's probably over. Okay, and that's my update about Chiliz. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.